Hello everyone. Happy Valentine's Day. So today marks about 20 years on a motorcycle for me. And I don't mean I've ridden every year, unfortunately, but it was on a Valentine's Day about 20 years ago where my dad bought me and my sister dirt bikes. That was a great day. I found it a little bit harder to get out recently to get out and ride, because we had just a few days of really nice weather, and then it went back down into it was freezing yesterday, I think, and after seeing a glimpse of spring like that, it makes it hard to get back into your winter gear. But here I am. It's a beautiful day. I'm so glad the clouds have lightened up, because the past few days it's just been not sunny. So today we're going on a quest, because in my last video I was looking for a river crossing and I didn't find it. And then yesterday I went out and explored a different area. I didn't find it. And today we're gonna find it, because I looked it up on a map and I know where I need to go. Whew, I cannot wait for spring. I saw my first flower of the year today, and then my dog peed on it. But that was exciting. Seeing the flower, not seeing him pee on it. And there's buttercups starting to sprout up, about to bloom, so it's on its way. Just a little longer. Just a few more weeks of this miserable cold. Oh well. Makes you appreciate the nice weather. Lately, even to see the blue sky and to see the sun is a treat. Oh, that's funny. Alright, I think that's the river that we're going to. Wow, that truck's been there for a second. Yes, high water area, that's what I'm looking for. Adventures. Oh, it is closed, darn. Yeah, the rain we've had lately. I knew it was closed a few days ago from messages and stuff, but wow. Yeah, that's a lot of water. And no telling how slick that is. Well, we'll try again another day. We found it, guys! After days of searching. I've heard that people also, when the water is low, they'll take 4x4s and stuff up the stream. What a cool place. I love places like this. Wow, so every time it rains enough, they've got to get some kind of heavy machinery out here to move these blocks. Cool stuff. I can't wait to check it out when the water's lower. Unzip my pants. It's one thing about wearing so much gear and riding a sport bike is everything is creased at your waist. Let's check out the other area. See how high the water is there. I've got to start taking my fishing pole with me. Yeah, that's the stream. Okay. This way leads to 2. Run! Ah, man, what a pretty day. Don't realize how much you appreciate the sun until you have a streak of cloudy, cold days.
lots of nice things to slip on.
Oh, patch of gravel, right where it's nice to turn. Between laying it down in the ice and seeing all the crap on the road, I'm being super conservative with my lean angle. Also, with everything being cold, the road is cold, my tire is cold. Man, this stuff will put you on your butt in a hurry. Oh, I smell food. I need to check my fork seals when I get back. The other day I was looking at them and I saw liquid on them. And so I wiped it off and I checked it out, and I learned that sometimes new forks will get rid of excess. So I need to make sure it's that and not a leaky fork seal. Oh yeah, river's flowing. Oh, and there's a fire pit. That's a soft place. That's better. It's a fireplace with a tail. Wow, it's a lot higher. Jeez. You can see in my last video, this is like halfway, like half of the stairs that I've been able to walk down. That's wild. That means it's so deep right here. That's kind of trippy. It's at least 10 feet deep over there. Water will mess you up if you're not careful. It's so powerful. It's pretty though, check that out. Oh, it's so good to see the sun. Good stuff. Alright everyone, that'll do it for this video. We accomplished our quest. We found the river crossing. So we can go check that out once it dries up some and we can actually cross it. So that'll be cool. Like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Peace.